Grandma. I can see you. Hi.
Hi.
Who's on the roof?
No, but oh, there's Ava.
What is he doing? Us making our tree house?
Huh? Come here, Kayla.
Tree house?
Oh, they can't come out because we got them locked in there.
He's over there. Grandma, making you chicken stew, Grandpa.
Kayla,
Yeah?
come here.
I can't.
I unlocked it.
Are you taking a video?
Come here.
Ow. Right into the sun.
Who's going to be the brave one?